T.house is a compact urban residence located in Osaka, Japan. Designed by Ogawaa Design Studio, the project is built on the remains of a 50-year-old building. Instead of demolishing the old structure, the architect chose to preserve its steel frame, foundation, and both party walls, using them as a structural and conceptual base for a new home. The total footprint of the house is just 25 square meters. But through vertical layering, the building stretches across 5 levels, each connected by a single central staircase. This staircase isn't just a means of circulation. It's the spine of the project. It organizes the plan, defines visual connections, and introduces natural light through the central void. The spatial experience shifts gradually as you move up the house. From the street-level entrance, which remains visually open to the city, to the upper floors, where functions become increasingly private, living, sleeping, and finally retreating into a rooftop terrace that reconnects the user with the sky and the skyline. Material strategy is deliberate and restrained. The walls expose a mix of old and new, rough concrete, reused plywood, and traces of former finishes. The floors are tiled with basic ceramic, while the ceilings are lined with soft timber panels, creating a quiet contrast. This juxtaposition between industrial and warm materials defines the entire character of the home. Windows are slim-framed in black aluminum, inserted with precision into the existing frame. Openings are minimal, but intentional, each one framing a specific direction, controlling light and privacy without compromising on spatial quality. The lighting concept avoids ornamentation. It relies on indirect illumination, built into ceiling recesses and wall planes, emphasizing shadows, textures, and the geometry of the space. Functionally, the program is tightly organized. Living and kitchen areas are stacked closely, with compact storage embedded into walls. The bedroom occupies the quietest level, separated by height rather than doors. Finally, the roof terrace acts as a release point, a place to pause, reflect, and re-establish a connection with the urban environment. T.house is not a showpiece. It's a study in adaptation, scale, and emotional function. What looks rough or unfinished on the surface is, in fact, carefully orchestrated. Every junction, every layer, every light source contributes to a whole that feels personal, almost introspective. In a city as dense and dynamic as Osaka, this house offers a calm, grounded alternative. An architecture that embraces imperfection, celebrates material honesty, and proves that even the smallest spaces can hold the deepest meaning.